in this video, guys, I'll be showing us how to make money from this site. So this this app actually is called MYDAILYCASH. So I'll be guiding us step on how to earn from this site. And they'll pay you in credit. As you can see, I have 100 credit here. So when you sign up with the link, I'll be giving the description below. When you click that link, there's a code below it. So make sure I'll show you how to put that code. Make sure you put that code. And once you put that code, they'll be giving you 50 credit sign up bonus. So don't forget to do that. So what you just have to do is also click the link I'll be dropping in the description. Once you do that, it will take you to a Play Store where you download the app. So I'll show you the app. So look at the app here. When you see MYDAILYCASH, so once you see this app, go ahead to download it. I have it already. I'll just click on open. So once you go to Play Store, click on install and download the app. So once you come, you just have to fill in your details and put your phone number there. All right, look at what you just see there. So you just go ahead and start doing some tax. So actually they're paying you in credit, as I said before. So what you have to do, so let me show you how to convert how their payment works. So the next icon here is also the payout option. So which you see that you can see here you have 100 credit. So this 100 credit simply is equivalent to $1 instant. So it's equivalent to $1. That means for me to withdraw to make up to 1,000 credit here, like 1,000 credit, which is $10, and that's the minimum withdrawal. So look at the 20. I've just gotten 50 credit from here, and the startup bonus 50 credit. That's what makes my distance 100. So we'll be going to do some tax, and I'll show you how to earn from this tax. So the next icon here is just like the question, the FAQ side. So you can go ahead and read it in your own side when you sign on, and this is the setting option here. So that's it. And for you to withdraw, you have to create a paper account here. That's where they pay you from the site. So I'll be showing, don't worry about that, I'll be showing you how to create a paper account. So just watch this video to the very end. It's very easy and very straightforward. So just for you to do that, there are many tasks below it which you can do. You can claim reward. You can just go to this go to deal. So when you do that, look at other tax here. You can just go ahead and do it. So I'll just play you a short video now that will just that will direct you on how to go ahead to do the tax. So just stay cool and watch the video. And don't forget, for the referral link, there will be a split. They will ask you the referral. There is option about make sure you put that code for you to get your 50 credits. You understand? So let me just play the video now. Just hold on.
So this is how you do your task. You can see it's recommended. This is the one they will recommend for you. So you click on go to D. Then you just need to wait. It will take you to Play Store, I guess. So you need to install the application on your phone. It's 7.1 MB. So let's get it installed. So it has been installed successful. So you click on continue. All right. So you click on I agree. We read and collect call logs, data improve, proving better spam protection for you. So this is like a messenger, like your normal phone message you have. So you click on I agree. Just you select it. You select a top messenger, set as default. You agree to all those. You click on connect to MYDAILYCASH. So you choose the SIM you want it to be. Okay, you can choose. If you have two SIM and you don't want it to collect maybe much of your data, you can just click on. You can choose your second SIM. I have Airtel SIM. I'm going to put Airtel SIM. So if you want to connect this, you need to have minimum of 100 naira, because I think I overheard they do collect 4 naira sometimes from your main account balance. I don't know about that, but even if they are collecting 4 naira every day, that's 18 naira in 20 days, you are making $10. So it is good. So I'm going to click on MTN. Should I use MTN? Okay, I'm going to use MTN because this is the SIM I use to connect my MYDAILYCASH. We are loading some data for you, so you just need to wait. So select continue with the number. This is my MTN line. So you click on send. So successfully connected. Okay, you have to keep the app on your phone. Do not remove it. Okay, so you can see 4 naira. So they usually collect 4 naira from your account. Phone, do not remove it. As long as the app is on your phone, you get money in our partner app, MYDAILYCASH. So this app is very legit. So they don't have access to any of your belongings. It's just like a normal app you can use, just like your normal messenger app, whereby when you get a text message you receive it. Okay, Yes, continue. I understand. I understand. Okay, I understand. So just select it. Yes, I understand. Keep clicking it. Your connected both apps are now. We are earning now. When the encounter is at 0, click on claim. Okay, so you connected to both apps and you are now earning now every day. When the counter is at 0, just click claim reward. Okay, that means let me claim reward now. Claim reward. So let's see.
So that's how you have to go about doing the tax after watching that video. Sure, I'm sure you just understand it. Remember, you'll be putting your phone number and you'll be putting your phone number, yes, and they'll be getting 4 naira from you. So that's just normal. See, that will be paying you $10. So just allow them to take your 4 naira from you and you're good to go. So you can also come every time to do tax below, like go to deal, click on it to do your tax, another task on this platform. So when you just go, you go ahead and start doing it. All right. So there's no more. So if you really have a pay account, you can go ahead and click for withdraw. When you click on this payout, you said you transfer it to your pay account. So but if you don't have, just drop a comment below like how to create a pay account. Is it a paper account? I will just go ahead and I will do a video on it. So as if I have a lot of comments there, but if I don't, I know that yes, we will have a pay account. So that's just it. There's no more due. Subscribe to the thumbs up, please, and hit that subscribe button. Please share this with your friends so that when you share this video with your friends and when you like this video, it enable me to do more because I'll see yes you're appreciating what I'm doing, so I'll do more. All right, thank you so much and see you guys in my next video. So thanks so much.